Hey kids, you know color? You know, the thing around all of us? Well, what if I told you that color served an actual, legitimate purpose other than looking pretty? Well, if you just follow me to my magic classroom, you'll find out in a lesson of a lifetime. Hey class, what's up everybody?
Hey, what's
Alright,
up,
high
Teach?
fives all around.
Hey, Teach, what's up?
Aw, you scamp, you. Here, take my hat. Today, I'm going to teach you kids about color.
Color sounds pretty cool.
You bet your butt, Billy. Observe. Meet the yellow monkeys. They're just one of the 3 primary colors. They're hanging out in their natural habitat. Creatures like these feed off of grass and sticks, like the one they're eating right now. Sometimes they eat bananas, which are also yellow. Huh, looks like they spotted us. Meet the blue bird. He flies around sometimes. Oh, come on, guys. He just wants to play. Looks like the yellow monkey saw something the blue bird didn't. Oh look, it's the red alligator, the top predator of the color ecosystem. And herein lies the blue bird's dilemma. They're not sprightly enough like the yellow monkeys to avoid the red alligators. If only there was a way in which they could maybe camouflage themselves. Don't cry, Bluebird. There's gotta be a way. Mama, 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 mama. There you have it, kids. The miracle of life, a combination of evolution and color combinations. By combining his blue with the yellow monkey's yellow, he's created a new lineage of creature, a green one. This green will help them camouflage amongst the trees and bushes. Mama. Mama, Mama. The new green creature has of course been abandoned by its mother. It's lost, confused, and scared. Oh, is that a predator you hear, little green creature? Notice, class, how this new combination of blue and yellow can hide amongst the grass, away from creatures like the red alligator. Looks like he's safe for now. Now, does that make sense to you guys?